Alright, I got my Lacrosse box. This is the standard box. This is January's box. And it came like January 20th or 22nd, something like that. So let's open up, see what we got. In the packaging paper we have East Coast die sticker. Got some stringing kit, looks like. This is shooter, sidewalls, ball stop, head screw in there, all white, and then East Coast mesh. This is the semi-hard wax mesh, 15mm from East Coast Dies. And that's what came in this box. This is the standard Lacrosse box from January, the East Coast Dies mesh. Black, 15mm, semi-hard white mesh. Stringing kit, ball stop, head screw, sticker, and then the paper with just explain the total value. It says the mesh kit is worth $29.99 and the screw and ball stops were $3, $32.99 total value for the January regular box.